Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your GEM mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your GEM mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in gemcorp.com and make a search. The official page of GEM mortgage account will appear on the screen. Tap on Apply Now option at the top right corner of the page. On the next page, click on Sign In option. Enter your email address and password associated with your GEM mortgage account and tap on Sign In. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Trouble Signing In option. This is how you can log into your GEM mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.